Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about how to create bills. So in bill menu, you will get option of create your first bill because till we haven't created any bill, so I'm getting this option. Okay. Once you click the option, you will get this kind of display where there are so many fields. I will explain all the fields. So this is the first name and last name, and either you have organization name, then you can enter. So from both field you need to enter the details only in one field. Okay, so I am entering organization detail A1 store, then after reference number, then bill date, due date, currency, bill totals will be entered including tax or excluding tax. Okay, so I am selecting including tax. Then after, in case of higher purchase, you can mark this option. Then you can enter any comments if you want to enter. Then after, the bill contains a single item with the same category or multiple items with different category. If you select second option, you need to enter the details into the following page. Okay, as it is written here, I am proceed with the single item option. Then after, spending categories, so this is ultimately our ledgers, means charts of account. I'm selecting cost of sales, and if you want to create a new account, okay, so to create new account, you need to go here in settings. Here you will get option of accounting categories, then add a new. So from this button you can create new categories or ledgers. Okay, now let's continue. Then after, I'll enter the amount including VAT. Okay, total price. Then after, project bill, if it is related to project, then you can select. Then after, recurring option and attachment to attach the invoices and all. Okay, once you fill all the things, then you need to save. Once you save the bill, you will get this message. Okay, and if you want to see the bill, then you need to come into the bill menu again. So as you can see here, whatever bill we have created, it will be shown here, and you can filter from all bills and last 3 months options. Okay, now in contact options, you will get the contact detail of the supplier and customers. And suppose if you want to make change, then you need to click edit. After doing required changes, you need to save the invoices from here. Okay, and if you want to delete this bill, then you can click here, and if you want to make payment, then you can pay bill directly from here. Okay, so this is the basic video how to create bill in FreeAgent. Okay, kindly subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.